Hi, I'm Khushbu Jain, and today we are going to discuss about AI integration, how to use AI in your existing system, which can reduce and save time, reduce manual work, and work smart. So before even jumping on that, let's understand what is AI integration. AI integration is a process of adding artificial intelligence like machine learning and NLP into the existing software and workflows to make them work smarter, automated, and more efficient, which enables making better decision, production, personalization, and making sure the automation of business. Let's discuss even about the services which we offer for AI integration. So, speaking about AI integration services that we offer AI integration consulting, NLP solution, workflow automations, and ML AI model integration, ChatGPT integration, AI and IoT device integration, image and video recognition, predictive analysis, and many more. Discussed about what kind of services we provide, but let's talk about how exactly AI integration works. So we understand your system. On that basis, we select the right AI. We integrate and connect to your system, test, and make sure that it is well optimized. And then we discussed about what kind of integration and how it works. Now let's talk about what technology should be used in what kind of condition. That makes the game real change. Okay, so when it comes to AI model and platform, so we recommend using OpenAI, ChatGPT 4, or any ChatGPT version, upgraded version, Google Vertex, Microsoft Azure, and AWS services. That's running framework like TensorFlow, Python Torch, Skitlearn, and Keras Export. That's what we do. So when we talk about NLP technologies, we see that we recommend using Hugging Face and Microsoft Azure services and Google NLP services, NLSTK, something real good. Now let's talk about AI and integration tools. So GraphQL, that is real good. REST APIs, Zapier, MuleSoft, real nice, real good. Automation platform, so we recommend going for UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Power Automate, Zapier. Again, now this is going to be very important because we highly even work with this kind of requirements, that is data interpretation and analytics. This is the most highly thing we work on, and these are the tools which we use. So for data and analytics tools, we go for BigQuery and Snowflake, Power BI, Looker, real nice, real good. Cloud platforms, we recommend going for AWS, real good, real nice. Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform. Yeah, so this is something nice. Security and monitoring tools, so we go for AWS CloudWatch and Azure Monitor, Datadogs, ALK Stack, and IAM tools. Okay, perfect. So far we've been learning so much about it. Let's even talk about who needs AI integration. So startup who are looking forward to have a scalable and fast automation, they would be the best one to have AI integration. Now small and medium enterprises want to reduce the manual work, enterprise managing lots of data, complex system, and manual so many sheets, so there it will be very useful. Along with that, service and team who handle support, booking, and operation, good for them as well. Product and SaaS team to improve user experience, make sure that they are getting the best experience of it, really. Healthcare and real estate and education, e-commerce, and many more. So these are the industries highly recommending from our end, and these are even we catered as of now. Apart from that, anyone who uses software and want it smarter, want to reduce the time, and want to make sure that the manual work that gets out of the way, which is why AI integration is in the place. So these are the industry precisely and the people who needs AI integration. About which different kind of companies might need AI, and we highly recommend that because it is a really game changer in the organization as well as in various kind of business. But let's talk even about how it's going to actually benefit them, because no actual people knows about it and they don't even talk much about it. In reality, because of multiple tasks, it takes a lot of time, but with the use of AI integration, it saves time. It reduces the manual work, it improves accuracy, accuracy is a very important part, and along with that it helps to take faster decision. You can see analytics in very different format, and because of that you can take better decision, personalization, and as well as better user experience that what AI provides. Better use of data, because of that you can make a better decision. The integration is even very seamless. I mean, all the system which where you used to use Google Sheets or might be different kind of sheets, that is very seamless, and that helps to make reduce in work and better decisions. And this all the thing, it is scalable and future ready, so no need to be worried whether to rework or not. It is scalable. So these are the things AI help into. We highly recommend going for AI integration to make sure that your business grows, you get more time, and instead of working on management things and score small things, you should be working more onto the sales, and that's where our focus is. Equitysoft make sure that you gain more and you don't stuck into the small things, okay? And what happens if you automate your business? The repeated tasks, that reduces, saves time, okay? You can respond to your client easily with the use of AI chatbot. Good thing. You can get better decision because of the processed and analyzed data. Trigger happens, let's say if you're into an healthcare or any different kind of care system where 24/7 systems are required, and in case of any kind of problem, a trigger system is required. So AI can be helpful over there as well. In different kind of industry where predictions are happening or tradings are happening, it helps to predict, make sure that they even give a very analyzed data how it's going to work. So that's how prediction outcomes, it really helps. It helps to automate business over there. Along with that, it works 24/7, so there is no need to be worried about how and what will happen if this kind of crisis will happen. Helps when the crisis will be there. Alright, so after hearing all of this, your first question would be how much it costs, how much it takes, and everything. So I'll tell you right away, it's not about the cost and thing, it's all about how you're investing and how it is going to take your life as well as your business automated and easy, because we discussed a lot about it previously. So when it comes to even cost and timeline, it purely depends upon what exactly you want, how it wants. If you wanted something simple, then it's going to take a few weeks, okay? But when it comes to something complex, more like into data integration, analytics, and on that basis making sure that system and workflow automations are working, so it might take a little longer, but don't worry about that. We are here to make sure that we cover everything for you, okay? Now, so I have this question for you now. I mean, the question is, why would you choose us? And for that part, I think I should give you some reasons so you can connect with us right away. So one of the reasons would be practical AI solutions, seamless integration that we do, customization AI approaches, experienced AI team. Yes, we do have. We have in-house AI team as well. Secure and scalable options, clear process and results, and focus on results. Apart from that, we follow agile methodology. So with that use of thing, you'll be able to see everything very precisely. We prefer to make sure that transparency and consistency is from day one. So you'll be able to see everything where your investment and everything is going on. This is what Equitysoft is going to provide you if you connect with us right away. So I say today that do you really want to save that time and manual work and reduce the more efficient part and make sure that you focus on the different part of the business, then we are the right team for us. Connect with us today and let us know, and let's explore the something best for you today.